Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about Enum Constructor in Java programming with the help of examples. So guys, in Java, an Enum class may include a constructor like a regular class. So guys, previously we have seen that using the Enum, like these were some of the values, and we had a separate class over here, that is the test class, and inside this class we had a method, that is display method, and for this we were having a switch case in order to access the different values of the size enum, and accordingly we were printing some string statements over here. So guys, we were having the pizza size as the field of this type, that is size enum. Now guys, we can also have the constructors over here. So as you can see, these enum constructors can either be a private constructor which can only be accessible within the class, or a package private constructor which is accessible within the package. So guys, we are going to check the enum constructor over here in this particular video with the help of examples. So what I'm going to do is, within this enum size we have to make some modifications over here. So we are having these four values, that is size, medium, large, and then extra large. Now guys, after these values we can also have some string values over here. So within these open and close brackets and inside this double quotes, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this string, that is pizza size is small, which reflects to this small value over here. So I'll just copy this and paste this over here. And then similarly, what we will do is, for the medium size as well, I'm going to paste this string over here, that is pizza size is medium. So I'll just copy this and paste this over here. Similarly, for large and extra large, I'll do this quickly. So as you can see, I have provided all the string values, pizza size is small, medium, large, and extra large, for these corresponding values of the size. Now guys, we can have a constructor inside this enum size. So over here we are going to have a private constructor. So we have private, and then the name of the constructor should be the name of the enum class, that is size. So I'll just copy this and paste this over here. Now guys, it is going to take a parameter which is going to come from the main method. So over here we are going to have the parameter of type size followed by the name of the parameter, that is pizza size. And over here guys, again we are going to have the attribute which is going to be the private final type, so that it can only be accessed within this enum size, and then it is going to be final, so that we can only access this attribute within this size enum. So we have private final, and then the data type is size, and then the name of the field, that is pizza size. So over here we have pizza size attribute, and this pizza size attribute, that is this attribute, I'll just copy this. I'm going to refer using this keyword followed by dot, and then we have the pizza size. It will be equal to this pizza size that is coming as a parameter over here, and then we have the semicolon. Now guys, in order to print this pizza size, we are going to have a display message over here. So we have public void display method, and then we will have just a print statement over here, and it will print the pizza size over here, that is the field name. Now guys, what we will do is, inside this main method, instead of calling this test class which we had created previously, I'll just remove this part and have the size enum over here, and let's say the name of the object, we have kept it as size, and then it will be equal to, we have to use this size, that is the name of the enum, and then followed by one of the values. So let's say we provide small as the value over here. So we have size dot small. So guys, what this is doing over here is, this size dot small is calling this line of code, that is small, and then this pizza size is small is being passed over here inside this constructor. Now guys, there is a red underline over here. It says the constructor size string is undefined. So we have done a mistake over here. Instead of this size, we have to provide string data type. That's because a string is coming from here. So we have modified the same. Over here we have provided the string, and guys, similarly we are going to have the string data type over here as well. So it is not going to be a size data type. That's because we are passing it as a string now. So both the data types, that is of the pizza size, we have provided it as a string, and then this string will get printed over here based on the value. So what is happening, size dot small, it is calling this line of code over here here, that is small, and then pizza size is small. So over here guys, these are all the calls to the constructors. So whichever value we call over here, it will call the constructor internally. So basically what is happening is this size constructor is getting called, and then the string is coming in this pizza size based on the value that we have provided over here inside this main method. And guys, there is another red underline over here. So over here we have missed a semicolon, so I'll just provide a semicolon over here. So after this, when we call this display method, so the string that is pizza size should get printed. So in order to call this display method, we have to use this size object. So size dot display. So guys, let me just save this file and try running this code now over here. So as you can see, pizza size is small, this thing is getting printed over here. So guys, instead of having the switch statement that we had inside this test class, we can remove this class now. Since it is no longer required, we are not creating any object out of it, but we are just having constructor inside the enum, that is size, and we can have any value over here. So let's say we have the large size over here. So I'll just copy this and paste this over here. Let me just save this file and try running this code now. So as we can see, pizza size is large, and instead of large, let's say if we copy extra large over here, let me just save this file and try running this code. So accordingly, pizza size is extra large, this string is getting printed. So behind the scenes, what is happening? Size dot extra large. So this means this extra large is getting mashed over here, and this pizza size is extra large. This string message is being passed to the constructor over here. So this constructor, which is private, can only be called by these 4 lines of code, and over here the string message is coming and it is initializing this pizza size string, that is one of the attributes of this enum size. And then guys, we are just displaying it using this display method over here. So guys, in this way we can easily use the enum constructors over here based on the requirements and have the appropriate strings being printed over here. So guys, that's it in this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is enum strings in Java programming with examples. So stay tuned.